All right, we are going to replace a key fob battery for a Toyota Corolla from the years 2014 to 2019. Battery is a CR2016. You can buy this at Common Home Depot, Walgreens, most electronic stores. At the top of the key, there is a small cutout. You are going to take a small flathead screwdriver and just twist. Basically pry. Don't want to go too tough because you can break the clips, which then the key will not reattach. When you open it, be careful. The little cutouts will pop out just like how I did, which you typically don't want that. Then you're going to find a small little area, just like how you pried the key. You are going to pry this little electronic device. Behind this is a small watch battery, and like I said, you can pick this up from your local store. You do not need to see the dealer for $200 key battery or an automotive repair shop that will probably charge anywhere from $30 to $80 depending on the battery cost. Watch batteries are expensive, but this one was pretty easy. You want to lightly pry, not too hard, so you do not break the clips. Again, I can't emphasize, don't want to break any plastic. You're going to replace it with putting a new battery in, make sure it's snug, and then you're going to repeat the process backwards as far as making sure you put the cover back over the battery. I would recommend to at least walk over to the vehicle before putting it all back on and just check the buttons, make sure the trunk opens, the doors lock, they unlock. Obviously right here, this is my error, but pretty simple. Just put the pieces back in. Once you get the pieces back in, make sure they're firmly pushed in there. They're not really held on by any clips. So if you want, keep the key at a downward position. It will help from making this minor error I did. Another thing is, when you put it back all together, you want to make sure you start from the bottom of the key and work to the top. If you start from the top, what you can do is cause the clips to break at the bottom, and then the key will naturally have play and movement, which can cause lock cylinders to fail. But this is a very simple and easy thing. Like it, love it.